In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an autoresponder in GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. An autoresponder is a powerful tool in email marketing. It allows you to automatically send emails to your subscribers based on specific triggers. This can save you a lot of time and help engage your audience effectively. So let's dive into how to set this up in GetResponse. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your GetResponse account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can manage everything related to your email campaigns. Now, to start creating your autoresponder, look for the Automation tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options. We want to focus on the Autoresponder section, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Autoresponder section, you will see a button that says Create Autoresponder. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter some basic information about the autoresponder you want to create. Start by giving your autoresponder a name that you will easily recognize later. This could be something like Welcome Series or Follow-up Campaign, depending on your needs. Next, you'll choose the email list that this autoresponder will be associated with. If you have multiple lists, just select the one that aligns with the audience for this particular campaign. This is important, as you want to make sure the right people are receiving the content you're sending out. After selecting your email list, it's time to set the trigger for your autoresponder. You can choose different options like a specific date or an action, for example, when someone subscribes to your list. If you're setting up a welcome email, you'll typically want to select the option that triggers the email right after someone subscribes. This ensures new subscribers get their first email immediately, which leads to better engagement. Once you've selected the trigger, you can set the timing for when your autoresponder emails will send. GetResponse offers flexible timing options. You can choose to send an email right away, or you can set a delay, maybe 1 day or a week, depending on your campaign goals. Keep in mind, the timing should align with your subscribers' expectations. You wouldn't want to overwhelm them with too many emails at once. Now let's create the actual content of your autoresponder. Click on the Create Message button, and it will take you to GetResponse's email editor. Here, you can either create a new email or choose from existing templates. The template option is great if you're looking to save time. Just select a design that resonates with your brand and customize it to fit your message. While you're editing, make sure to pay attention to your subject line. This is what's going to get your subscribers to open the email, so make it catchy and relevant. You want it to be intriguing enough to spark their interest right away. Additionally, you'll want to personalize your emails. GetResponse allows you to insert dynamic fields such as the subscriber's name. This small touch can significantly improve engagement. Once you've crafted your message and are content with the design and content, don't forget to test it. You can send a preview to yourself or a colleague to make sure it appears as intended on different devices. Adjust anything necessary before finalizing it. When everything looks good, go ahead and hit Save and Publish. Your autoresponder is now active. Congratulations! You've just created your first autoresponder in GetResponse. Remember, the goal is to nurture your relationship with your subscribers and provide them with valuable content that resonates with their needs. That wraps up our tutorial on how to create an autoresponder in GetResponse. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks in email marketing. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!